Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn how to perform DML operations on a view. We have here 6 practices. Create a view called EMP_SVU that represents the sum of all salaries per each department. So we want to create a view called EMP_SVU as select. We want the view to represent the sum of all salaries per each department. So we want to select the department underscore ID, sum salary from table employees, group by department underscore ID. So this select statement of the view represents the department ID and the sum of the salary per each department. We can give an alias for this function, for example sum underscore sal, and once finished run the create statement. So as we can see, view EMP_SVU created. So let us select from the view to confirm the view is working. Select star from, and this is the view name. Run the statement, and here we go. So as we can see, the view is representing the department ID and the sum of the salary per each department. In the second practice, try to do insert statement on EMP_SVU what you observe. So let's try to do an insert statement. Insert into and the view name EMP_SVU values. As we can see, the view contains 2 columns, the department ID. So let's try to put, for example, 200 as a department, and for the sum of the salaries, for example, 50,000. And let's try to run this insert statement. As we can see, the insert statement failed. Virtual column not allowed here. The view EMP_SVU is representing the department ID and the sum of the salaries per each department. So this is a complex view. It contains some of the salaries, it contains group functions, and it contains also group by clause. So if we try to run this insert statement on the view, this insert statement will be translated to an insert statement on the base table, which is the employees table. And in the employees table, there is no column called sum of the salaries. This is a virtual column. So the insert statement in this case will fail. In the third practice, create a view called EMP_view based on the employee name, email, salary from table EMP_new. So if you don't memorize the columns in EMP_new, we can go here to EMP_new. So as we can see here, we have EMP_ID, EMP_name, email, salary, dept_ID. So we can run our statement, create a view EMP_view that represents the employee name, which is EMP_name, the email, and the salary from table EMP_new. Once finished, run the create statement. So as we can see, view EMP_view created. In the fourth practice, try to do an insert statement on EMP_view what you observe. As we can see here, the view is representing the employee name, the email, and the salary. So let's try to do an insert statement. Insert into EMP_view values. For the employee name, we can provide here, for example, Tom. For the email, we can put, for example, tom@test.com. And for the salary, we can put, for example, 4,000. Once finished, run the insert statement. And here we go. As we can see, cannot insert null into hr.emp_new.emp_id. As we learned before, any DML operation on a view is translated to DML operation on the base table. So here we are trying to do an insert statement on EMP_view. So this insert statement will be translated to an insert statement on the base table, which is EMP_new. If you go to the EMP_new here, we have 5 columns: EMP_ID, EMP_name, email, salary, and dept_ID. In our insert statement in the view, we are passing the name, the email, and the salary. What about EMP_ID and dept_ID? In this case, Oracle will try to put a null value in EMP_ID and the dept_ID. But EMP_ID is a primary key. That means you cannot insert a null value in a primary key. So that's why our insert statement failed, because Oracle will try to put a null value in EMP_ID. In the fifth practice, modify the view EMP_view and include EMP_ID in the view. So here we want to write create or replace statement. So this is our create statement. We want to run create or replace the view, and this is the name of the view, we want to include in the select statement of the view emp underscore id. So here we want to use employee underscore id, the employee name, email, salary. Once finished, run the create statement again. So here, as we can see, view emp underscore view created. In the last practice, try to do an insert statement on emp underscore view what you observe. So let's try to do an insert statement. Insert into emp underscore view values. For the employee ID, we can provide 300. For the employee name, we can provide, for example, John. For the email, we can provide, for example, john@this.com. For the salary, we can provide, for example, 5,000. Once finished, run the insert statement. As we can see, one row inserted. So this insert statement in the view is translated to an insert statement on the base table, which is emp underscore new. So this is the employee ID, this is the employee name, this is the email, and this is the salary. The table emp underscore new contains 5 columns. The last column, which is dept underscore id, because dept underscore id column accept null values, the insert statement in this case succeed. So if you try to select from the base table emp underscore new and click run, so as we can see, this is our record. This is the employee ID, this is the John, this is the email, and this is the salary. As we can see here, Oracle insert null in the dept underscore ID, because our insert statement on the view is translated to insert statement on the base table. So in this practice, we learn how to perform DML operation on a view. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.